Hey everyone, welcome to Daily 10 Words.
I'm Edvin, and this is episode 1, and we've got 10 brand new words for you.
Before we start, if you're enjoying the series, we'd really appreciate it if you hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.
It genuinely helps us out. Okay, let's jump right in. Word number 1, appreciate.
Appreciate. Edvin, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced appreciate. It's a verb, meaning to be grateful for something, or to recognize its value.
Here's how you'd use it. I appreciate your help with this project.
And I really appreciate good coffee in the morning.
Me too. Say it with me, appreciate.
Appreciate comes from the Latin appreciare, meaning to set a price on.
That same root gives us price and appraise.
Speaking of appraising, I appreciate a good deal way too much. Word number 2, awkward. Awkward. Serah, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced awkward. It's an adjective, meaning causing embarrassment or difficulty.
Here's how you'd use it. There was an awkward silence after the joke.
And running into my ex at the grocery store was so awkward.
Me too. Say it with me, awkward.
Awkward comes from the Old Norse afugr, meaning turned the wrong way.
That's exactly how it feels, right?
I still get awkward when someone sings happy birthday to me. Word number 3, confident. Confident. Edvin, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced confident. It's an adjective, meaning feeling sure of yourself and your abilities.
Here's how you'd use it. She felt confident before the interview.
And I'm confident this is going to be a great episode.
Me too. Say it with me, confident.
Confident comes from the Latin confidere, meaning to fully trust.
That same root gives us confide and confidential.
I'm confident I'll forget all of this by tomorrow, honestly. Word number 4, hesitate. Hesitate. Serah, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced hesitate. It's a verb, meaning to pause before doing or saying something, usually because you're unsure.
Here's how you'd use it. Don't hesitate to ask if you have questions.
And I hesitated before hitting send on that email.
Me too. Say it with me, hesitate.
Hesitate comes from the Latin hesitare, meaning to stick or be stuck.
That's a pretty good way to describe indecision.
I hesitate every single time there's a scary movie playing. Word number 5, independent. Independent. Edvin, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced independent. It's an adjective, meaning not relying on others for support or control.
Here's how you'd use it. She's very independent and lives on her own.
And I've been independent since I moved out for college.
Me too. Say it with me, independent.
Independent comes from combining in, meaning not, with dependent.
So literally, not depending on anyone else.
I'm independent enough to cook, but not enough to do my taxes. Word number 6, nostalgic. Nostalgic. Serah, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced nostalgic. It's an adjective, meaning feeling a sentimental longing for the past.
Here's how you'd use it. This song makes me feel so nostalgic.
And old photos always make me nostalgic for my childhood.
Me too. Say it with me, nostalgic.
Nostalgic comes from the Greek nostos, meaning homecoming, and algos, meaning pain.
So literally, the pain of wanting to go home.
I get nostalgic every time I smell my grandma's cooking. Word number 7, overcome. Overcome. Edvin, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced overcome. It's a verb, meaning to successfully deal with or defeat a difficulty.
Here's how you'd use it. She worked hard to overcome her fear of flying.
And we overcame so many challenges building this channel.
Me too. Say it with me, overcome.
Overcome comes from the Old English overkommen, meaning to conquer.
That same root gives us that same root shape gives us other, over, words, like overtake.
I still haven't overcome my fear of Mondays, though. Word number 8, sarcastic. Sarcastic. Serah, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced sarcastic. It's an adjective, meaning using irony to mock or convey contempt.
Here's how you'd use it. Oh great, another Monday, he said sarcastically.
And I'm always a little sarcastic before my coffee kicks in.
Me too. Say it with me, sarcastic.
Sarcastic comes from the Greek sarkazion, meaning to tear flesh.
That's a pretty intense way to describe a joke.
I'm sarcastic 90% of the time, honestly. Word number 9. Thoughtful. Thoughtful. Edvin, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced thoughtful. It's an adjective, meaning showing careful thought or consideration for others.
Here's how you'd use it. That was such a thoughtful gift.
And she left a thoughtful note for her roommate.
Me too. Say it with me, thoughtful.
Thoughtful comes from combining thought with the suffix full, meaning full of.
So literally, full of thought.
I try to be thoughtful, but I always forget birthdays. Word number 10. Ambitious. Ambitious. Sarah, can you break it down for us?
Pronounced ambitious. It's an adjective, meaning having a strong desire to succeed or achieve something.
Here's how you'd use it. He's ambitious and wants to start his own company.
And I'm ambitious enough to learn 10 new words a day.
Me too. Say it with me, ambitious.
Ambitious comes from the Latin ambitiosus, meaning going around to canvass for votes.
That same root gives us ambition.
I'm ambitious about napping today, if that counts. All right, quiz time. Let's see how much you remember.
Question 1. Which word means not relying on others for support?
Independent.
Question 2. Which word means to pause before acting because you're unsure?
Hesitate.
Question 3. Which word describes using irony to mock something?
Sarcastic.
Question 4. Which word means feeling a sentimental longing for the past?
Nostalgic.
Question 5. Which word means having a strong desire to succeed?
Ambitious.
Great job, everyone.
That's it for today's 10 words.
Practice using them in a sentence and drop it in the comments.
See you next time for more daily 10 words.
Bye everyone.